This is Kenzo Extra Hot Forex. It's Thursday. Let's go straight to NASDAQ, US30 and gold. So I think everyone can see that we have a very red week. Everything is just selling. So for us who just buy only, it means we don't have any trades at the moment, so I'm just waiting for that pullback so to confirm, then I'm going to say it's time for me to buy. But here I'm on a daily time frame, so I just want to see what's really happening. I think maybe if I try to draw something here, I might find my support here, but at the moment this the market is still far from that, so I will have to try maybe to use a bit smaller time frame. So this is a very huge or very big sell-off, you can see, but it's similar to this ones. It's similar to this ones, similar to this one. So the best thing that you can do is to wait, because sometimes you can see this fake momentum and think maybe the market is going to push up. You can see we also had that. See here, we had a fake bullish, then the market just dropped again. So the best thing that you can do is to relax, or maybe find those. You can see here the market was trying to go up, then after another sell-off, you see. So from this one you should just wait for a very nice support. So let me go straight and try to draw that so that we can see. So the best thing that you can do, we never took so many trades, so but yesterday we had a very nice trading session. We did make small profits, then we got out, then the market was just selling off. So around this area you can see that, let me just take it up. So here you can see that this is our support zone. Why? Because I see so many, there's evidence that the market, you can see here around this, here we had this breakout, but from this area we started to have this support line, but the market is still here. So it means that I'm supposed to, I can't say we should buy here or whatever, because I don't have like any proof that maybe the market can turn here. If it does, it means okay, it's fine, I'm going to miss that. Why? Because it can create something like this. It can create something like this. So the market tries to push up, then push lower. The market tries to push up and push lower. Actually, it's what? It's called a downtrend. When the market pushes lower, the market won't just go straight. So the market will try to create this move. Then you think maybe it's a bullish momentum. Then the market keep dropping. See something like this, then the market will just do something like that. So but the overall picture here, we're still on a on a bearish momentum. So but that bearish, I think maybe we can have another support here around this zone here. Maybe we can have a support around here. I'm hoping that maybe the market will come around these areas, then boom, maybe the market will push up, you see. Because why? We had a very strong sell-off. If you draw your trend line, your downtrend line, maybe you will see that. So the market is just selling off. So we were somewhere here this Monday, but now it's Thursday. You can see the market is here. It means if the market reaches this area, we can only take a week to reach that area again, you see. It's quite easy, or the market is very volatile. If the market wants to reach these areas or these areas again, we can't even take 2 weeks. The market can reach there very quickly. if the bullish momentum is very strong. But I think that will happen very soon. That will happen very soon. But this areas, they seems to be like, you can see this zone is very strong. That's why you see the market is just rejecting from there. We just had some new highs here, then the market just dropped again. So on NASDAQ, guys, I think people, they should just relax. Sometimes it's a good thing to wait. It doesn't matter for how long as you don't see that great opportunity, then it's where you can just relax and wait for that opportunity to come. You don't force opportunities. You let them happen, then you take them. You see. So I think maybe on NASDAQ we can say we can just wait for the market to create that structure that we can rely on. Even if maybe the market doesn't reach here, if the market can play around here, then we can say maybe we can identify a support. Yes, we can take that trade, but at the moment we don't have anything to rely on. So it means that if maybe, let's say, if the market can keep going lower, if it breaks this support, maybe we can see the market can break, maybe retest, then push lower. But I think here we also have, I can say, it's a support that maybe the market can rely on also. So it means we are very close to our support levels, which we can look for buy opportunities. Sometimes when the market drops like this, it's also an opportunity. Maybe we lost several times here, but there is also opportunities around these levels. If you get the market here, the market, you can just get those quick back very quickly, because the market doesn't like to play around the support. The market will just shoot up, you see. So it's also an opportunity. So let's go straight to US30 and see what's really happening over there. So here we are on US30. So you can see we also had this sell-off, but we've seen that this bullish momentum was just crazy. It was like very, very crazy. So you can see that the market then corrected that move very quickly. You can see there was no pullback around here. So it means next time we're going to rely on this and see maybe this is our new high. It can also act as our new resistance, you see. So let's try to draw. So you can see that these crazy moves, if they get you, if you don't place any stop loss, then you are in danger. So let's try to draw our trend lines and support, resistance, and see what's really happening here. So let's start with we can say we had this resistance. Let's look at this. So it seems like here, let's finish drawing this. So it seems like let's check. Okay, it's quite easy now. I just wanted to get another, maybe let's get on daily. Whoa, you can see that this daily time frame is crazy, guys. Just look at this. Whoa. So I just wanted to check if maybe we have something like a support that we can rely on. I don't see that, unless if maybe, let's say here, if we say maybe something like here, I think here it was resistant and acted as a support. Remember, this is a daily time frame, guys, so it's still possible that the market can reach here before it can bounce back, or if the market keeps going lower, maybe the market can reach this level before they can go higher. But I don't really think maybe the market can push as low as that. Let's go back and see if maybe we had anything similar to that. Yeah, I don't think maybe we can see that sell off around until this point. but anything is possible, guys. So sometimes to make it in trading, you just have to be flexible. So okay, this is our next support on a bigger time frame. So this one is broken, so let's go to a smaller time frame and see what's really happening. On a smaller time frame, it's not really smaller, it's 4 hour. So you can see here it was our support, here it was our resistance, but here you can see the market broke here and now it's retesting. It means we can have that sell-off. You can see that. I hope you can see that, or let me try to zoom that, or let me take this one to 2 hours. I hope you can see that. Here it's a very nice support, you can see. So that support reached this area. So you can see we have this nice breakout here. Then the market retested. It means the market is heading lower. You see, the market is heading lower. So what we can do here is, sometimes when the market is not open, the market will just consolidate. But when the market opens, then we can see those strong sell-offs or maybe those bullish momentum. But with the strategy or with the analysis, after we had this breakout, we can see the market pushing lower, maybe until this area, because this, it seems to be our next support. At the moment, we don't have another support because we've broken this one here. You see, so it means now at the moment at the moment we're just looking at the sell opportunities. Why? Because we just broken this strong support. I think maybe I spoke about this thing, I talked about this yesterday. Check that if we broke this area, we're looking for a sell opportunities. You can see the market has to go down around this year. If maybe we go lower, maybe we can find those opportunities or nice entries. Let's see. Yes, I think maybe we already missed that, but we can still have another nice entries. You can see after this breakout here, you can see the market was just respecting this small zone here. Then after this breakout, we were supposed to be in, and our stop loss supposed to be here. So we were going to be in a very nice profit here. Then I think the market can still push lower. I think the market can still push lower. You see, so this is the idea for today, guys. Things they can change anytime. So let's go straight to gold and see what's really happening there. And if you don't know, guys, gold is also correlating with these things, US30 and also NASDAQ 100. They mostly correlate. So I want to show you something if maybe you don't know that. Let's go maybe to a bit higher time frame. Do you see this move? Do you see this move? And do you see this one? I just want you to see this movement and also this one. I just want to show you, when I go straight to gold, you will see similar setups. So if you know these things, you will understand what I'm talking about. Let's go to that 4 hour. It's not exactly the same, but if you let me draw those trend lines for support. You see, so we had this crazy moves, this strong bullish movement, and now the market is just selling. So but here it's much slower, not exactly as US30. On US30 you can see the market also something like that, but this one is just crazy movements. When the market was just consolidating like this, I just want to show you something. When the market was just consolidating on US30, on gold was also, the market was also doing similar stuff. Then we had the breakout even on US30. We had similar breakout, but the thing is US30 is very volatile, so the moves are the candlesticks are very, very, very long. Even when the sell-off happens, it's very, very long. So things like that, they do also correlate. I don't know. I will just do maybe my research and find out. So now, as we are on gold, let's just go straight and see what we can get here. Since we are on gold, I think this it's a nice support. Sorry, nice resistant. Nice resistant over there. Here we can also say, you can see that maybe for us to say we can now have that strong buy, it means maybe we can wait for the market to reach this area, which it seems like the market will reach. So I don't look for any buy opportunity until the market reaches this area. Then we can see maybe if the market respect this support, it was a resistance. If the market respect this area, then we can say we can buy. Maybe the market will start to do something like this. But from now on gold, I don't see any opportunity at the moment. Maybe on a bit smaller time frame. Let me check that. Yeah, on smaller time frame, we can also see that we are still let's see. On smaller time frames, you can see that we can see that the market is reaching this area that I called a support. It was a resistance obviously, but now it's our support. If the market doesn't respect here, we expect the market to go lower, maybe to respect another support that we have. So actually we play by their supports and resistance, trend line and whatever, but today I don't see any trend line which I can draw. Or maybe I can try to draw something here, maybe, but it seems like the market will just respect. It seems like the market is just respecting these areas very nicely. So let's try to draw that, because these strategies, they just go with each other. It's a combo, guys. It seems like I'll be forcing. Let me start from here. Yeah, I think I'll be forcing the trend line. So I don't see any maybe trend line that fits here. I don't see a trend line that fits here. So the best way is to wait for the market to reach this area. If it doesn't respect this area, then you can wait for that opportunity to sell, maybe up to this area. Then the market can still push up, but the market can still push lower. We don't know, but now I think maybe the market will just respect this, either this one or this one. So now the market is just reacting to the economic news, whatever that it's happening around the economies, for those major economies, you see. So that's why you see those big sell-offs and other stuffs. So you don't have to panic. It's another opportunity. If you want to be in a good nice or in a nice profit, every sell-off, it's a nice opportunity. Even a buy momentum, it's also opportunity for sell-off. So whether the market goes down, it's a nice because we can have another buy. If it goes up, it's nice because we can have another sell. So the market has to be active for us to make money. So if the market is not active, it means we're not making money. So we like these volatilities, guys. As long as you can apply your risk management, it's very nice. So guys, if you want to be in my groups, just WhatsApp me. There's in my descriptions, there's my contacts. So WhatsApp me. There's still $25 once off. You just pay once. It's US30 and the NASDAQ 100 signals. Just WhatsApp me or Telegram me for more details. This is Kenzo Extra Hot Forex. Bow.